To get you.
Because
Too bad. Uh-oh. There they go. Hey, Lucy, that's a no-no. We don't pick up people that are smaller than us, do we? There goes Louie. I'll show y'all the board that kicked my butt for 2 days. It's not perfect. I had to cut some angles. I had to wedge this out with a hand chisel. And then I had to cut this angle and learn it all on my own. Oh my God. This is how big it is. You always look so Austrian under that tree. Oh, Rigger, I hope you feel better. Buddy! Where's Puff Pup? There's Buddy. Love you, Buddy. Love you, Buddy.